Aw, she likes your little bunny. Hey, Nudie girl, what are you doing? You gonna get your bunny? What's that bunny saying? What's that bunny saying? Aww. What's bunny say? Says, I love Rosie. I love Rosie Posey. You gonna get your jammies on? Are you gonna get your pajamas on? Yeah. Say, I gotta get my jammies on. I gotta do it. What? Nudie girl. Nudie girl. What you doing? Nudie girl. Nudie girl. Yeah. It's Grandma's baby. Yeah. Oh, she likes it. Grandma's gotta cover up your boomy so you don't get embarrassed when you're 20. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Nudie girl? Where you going? Where you going? I can't see you. Peekaboo. You ready for your PJs? You ready for your PJs? Cutie patootie. Aw, Grandma loves her. She loves her bunny. Say hi, bunny. Hi, bunny boo. You want your bunny here? There she is. There's your bunny. Okay, say bye. Gotta get my jammies on. See ya. Say bye, Rosie. Say see ya. I gotta get my jammies on. I gotta get my PJs on. Yeah. Aw, she's a good girl for me. Yeah. Did you go to a party today? Did you go to a birthday party? Yeah. You are so cute, dear. You went right to the party. And we had presents. And we had birthday cake. Did you have birthday cake in your bottle? Did you? I didn't know that. What are you doing your feetsies like that? You're going all over the place. Yeah. I'm trying to be discreet. What are you doing? You having a good day? Okay. I think it's time to get your jammies on, you wild thing. There she is, before her jammies. There she is before. Now we're going to get her jammies on her.